Here's a quick guide on how to register a domain on Namecheap.com. So when you navigate to the homepage of Namecheap.com, you'll see something that looks like this. And right here, right on the homepage, register a domain to start. Here's where you'll type in the domain name that you'd like to have. So type it in here and click search, and this is going to tell you if your domain is available or not. So my domain is available. It's $11.29 or 28 cents for the first year. Renews at $14.98. Depending on when you watch this, if it's in the future, these prices may go up, may go down. So next step is click add to cart. Now that that domain's in your cart, you can go up here, view the cart, and then proceed to the checkout.